Happy Friday. It's a rainy day in the garden again. Just started raining. So let's do a quick overview and then hopefully it stops raining and we can do some work because there's a lot that needs to be done. All right, we've got our potatoes dying back. So I wonder if we shouldn't check those. I don't know a lot about potatoes. I also see that there's a lot of nightshades that have intertwined in there that I didn't realize until this moment, so that's awesome. The kale is very holy. I suspect that the cabbage worms are wreaking havoc just like they were starting to last week, but hopefully there's a few leaves that we can gather that haven't been taken over. The onions look so much happier now that they're spaced apart, and honestly, in this area I could probably grab a few more, but they look good. And the beans are finally starting to take off a little bit more. They were going slow for a while. Oh, I think we forgot our cardboard. We keep saying we're going to put cardboard underneath of these so that the weeds don't go through. Sorry, so that the weeds don't grow through here. But wow, these cantaloupe are going nuts. As I'm glancing, I don't necessarily see like a lot of flowers attached to that have fruits like at the bottom of them. Maybe that one. I can't really tell. I'll get in there a little more. Like, is that the start of one? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I wonder if there's any in the depths of here. Like, oh, there's so many bugs. I don't really see any. Okay, our tomatoes. They look horrible still. Like, I don't understand why the leaves look like that. But there's plenty of fruit, so that's what's confusing to me. Like, lots of tomatoes here. Get closer. This one has so many down there. This one's got some now too. Nearly all of the plants have some tomatoes on them, so I guess that's good, but the plants just look so bad. The peas are dying, which is, I know that they like produce and then die pretty quickly, but like these are mushy, so I can't really harvest them. I need to probably just harvest everything that I see on this one before it dies and then call it quits with the peas unless they keep growing. There's quite a few of them. The pepper plant has just gotten quite large. I wonder if, I was kind of thinking that these peppers were going to change color, but I do not know if that's actually the case, so I kind of just want to pick them. Looks like there's some Anaheims starting to form. Finally. And the other thing to note is that there is a ton of weeds, a ton of them. And I know I should have gotten a start on this last week, but I did not, and so now there's just a lot that we have to pull out. The lettuce I think is pretty much done. It's been hiding under the kale for a while, but I think it's pretty much done at this point. I took a lot of it out last week. Rob and I are hiding under trees from the rain because it's coming down now, but it feels really nice. It's just a nice, cool rainfall. And that actually might soften up the ground a little. Here's my small haul so far. Gosh, now it's starting to get windy. I hope it doesn't like downpour. That's foreshadowing and probably just jinxed us. Okay. Just in time.
What are you picking off?
I'm trying to get, but if they're like these are like slimy, not slimy, but some of them are just too small and you can kind of tell.
So, like, are these...
I don't know, because they feel so small compared to, like, look. That's so big.
they're so fat.
But there might be some on this side. Because these are like a different variety altogether. Ah, that's cold. Oh my gosh.
I have to take a slight break.
I might check my status of my camera.
Yeah.
It's pretty protected under this little tree though.
I think it's gonna rain, sure.
Pause for a rain break.
The front, that's for sure.
Yeah. Definitely brought a lot of cool air.
Yeah. Loosen up the ground a little bit.
That's what I was thinking. Might be a little helpful actually. Ooh. Okay. That was a big piece. Wasn't like it was even attached to the ground. Oh, this whole thing is just broken.
Oh.
Did you get this with the chopper, Mom?
Oh, might have. I could have.
It's like the whole thing
That
is.
maybe is why it's dead.
It's literally not. It was not attached to the ground.
Oh, sorry.
Jeez,
I
Rob.
was trying to get some of the weeds. I was trying to be helpful.
Well,
I obviously wasn't too helpful.
didn't know the biggest pest in the garden was gonna be you. No, it's fine. Not that big of a deal. I thought there was gonna be more plants this year, and there really was not that many.
Okay, all of this is...
Yep. Anything with those little green things.
Nope.
Well, there you go.
Am I gonna need like a... Oh,
Are you gonna need a what?
chopper.
Might need a wheelbarrow more than a chopper.
I think I'm gonna need a shovel.
Yeah, they're hard to get out once they get that big.
Woo!
Nice. See that? All that. Isn't that crazy?
Oh.
I didn't even see them in there.
I thought they just shoot up.
Right, and because they just kind of look like the potato plants to me.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't help that they're kind of blend. They're kind of...
Yeah.
Oh, well, this one's like dead, so
Pros and cons
it's easier to...
to get out.
Maybe the Roundup killed that one. Maybe it...
Oh, potatoes.
Oh,
What?
they are.
How did that
Or
happen?
maybe this is the potato plant.
That is a potato plant.
Oh, okay. Well, that's where the potatoes are from.
You're just like yanking out potatoes. They're so cute and small. Hold on.
That too.
Well, if you pull out any more.
Well, I will, because these are all just popping out of the ground.
Oh.
These dead
They
ones. Like, these yellow.
Well, that isn't that what it's supposed to do? Like you're supposed to pull them out once they get dead?
That's
Well-
what I'm doing, and they're popping out.
I guess that's good.
This is a good one.
That is a good one. That's cute. That's so funny. I just looked over and saw these potatoes on the ground.
Oh, here's another one.
Cute.
So you just have to dig.
Are they supposed to be like big? That's so funny.
Oh my goodness, look at all these. No, they're probably just like these. I'm sure they are, but do you want me to keep pulling out these or not? Pulling out these, or?
I mean, I don't know. I don't know if they're going to get bigger or not.
I'm thinking if the plant is dead. They probably aren't, are they?
I feel like if they're sticking out, like there's one that's sticking out there, then you probably could take it.
Oh,
Like that little guy.
he's a little guy. Oh, yeah, they're pretty. I don't know if they're going to grow more, though.
But then is there supposed to be potatoes under that?
Yeah, I think so. That's what I was just thinking.
Oh, like
yeah,
that?
see, they're little, so I don't know if
Maybe
they're
not.
going to grow anymore.
Oh, there's definitely some that are just like laying in the ground though, like this one.
Yeah, I haven't gone through that area yet. But like these are definitely dead, because look at the plant. Like,
Yeah, I just don't know how potatoes function. Oh, this one feels like a big one. Oh, no, not that big. Oh my goodness. All the way to the edge.
Oh, those are big ones.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot. Oh my gosh, Mom.
Oh my gosh. Well, maybe they are all done.
That's crazy.
Should I go get the pitchfork?
Yeah, maybe. We just have to try not to stab them. You go all the way deep, straight down.
I can't even dig it.
I probably can't either then.
Oh. Oh, yep. There's some down underneath that clump. Under it. Right down
Here.
somewhere.
I'll let you.
I saw it.
Oh, big.
Yeah, so you might need to dig in.
The whole side here. Okay. I'm scared. I want to mess up my potatoes.
It's hard. The dirt is hard. Oh, there you go.
Just one in that.
Some. Ooh, that was a good one.
Oh, here's one. Oh, yep. Here's one. Here's one.
I wonder if we should just dig them.
Let's just dig them.
Because I don't think they're going to probably grow a lot more.
No. Let's just do it.
Oh, it's full. Oops, sorry.
You're good.
Even if they're babies, it's fine.
Yeah.
This one might have lost.
Yeah, kind of looks like it. Let's see. Cute. Oh, Mom. Sorry. Didn't mean to fling it at you.
No, they're just babies.
We got a haul.
Here's the jackpot.
That's crazy.
The golden potato.
I thought we were done hitting the jackpot. I bet that
Especially because I thought those were
not ready. Yeah. I feel like this middle section probably has some then. Oh, that's a big one. It's kind of weird looking though. I think I stabbed it. Oh, wow.
There's some.
Kind of that. Oh, wow. That's crazy. You see how fast weeding turns into digging up a bunch of potatoes that may or may not have been ready? I love this project. All right, we're gonna continue weeding. I'm gonna try to get some of this kale, but as you can see, there's a bunch of holes in a lot of it. So we'll check for bugs. But that is the monster over there that needs to be weeded the most, and then kind of up by our pepper plants as well. I was wondering what was going on. There's just so many of them. That's so frustrating. Because even on a good leaf, there's still a bunch of babies crawling all over. It's just disgusting. I just might do that because I guess if I was one of those bugs, I would want to live on one of these leaves, but I don't appreciate it. Dude, they're so big now too. You could plant it again if you wanted to. If we plant it again though, we need to put the bug net on it because that's why it's like this. I think it's those white moths if they land on it, they lay eggs.
Yeah.
They turn into these little caterpillars. Like, that one's huge. Gross. And once you have them, it's like impossible to get rid of them unless you just rip everything out. I haven't seen anything edible yet.
Yeah. Some people say that, and some people say water.
What is all that? Those all eggs? Yeah, I don't know about this kale. It's pissing me off right now. Ew, that's disgusting. Do you want to see something gross or no?
Ew.
Yeah, I don't want to eat that. I don't even really want to look at any more of it. That makes me so mad.
Especially because it's such big kale.
I know it's beautiful. I know that this is kind of my fault because I didn't cover it, but like, it's basically like if it doesn't have bugs on it, it has eggs on it. So I'm kind of just over it.
Yeah. Well, you can just rip it out.
I think I'm going to.
Also, a garden.
I know. I know there's like an amount of it that I'm okay with, but like when there's like 4 of them on here. I don't want to eat that. Okay, I'm over it. I don't even know if I can pull this out though. Like, it's so thick. Yeah, I don't think I can. I think I'm gonna have to dig it.
This is really hard dirt.
Yeah, it is.
There we go.
There. Well, that's not so bad. I guess I will just get out of your way and I will continue to pull weeds.
Well, I guess once we get all this out, you can plant something different.
Grandma said I should replant.
Oh.
Which I could. But like I said, I'm only doing that if we cover it because I'm not doing this again. I guess that's what gardening is for.
Yep.
Learning. Should I take more onions out while I'm in here?
Yeah.
Because they're like on top of each other still. I didn't notice that last week. These red ones are really crowded. So now that we've weeded everything, we've taken out the kale, we've picked a few more onions, we've picked the potatoes, and we've picked all the peas that are ready, we are going to work on these tomatoes. So I did tie them up a little bit better. They're just not looking good, but apparently there's a lot of people in this area that are growing tomatoes that the leaves look crispy like this, and we wonder if it's not chemical overspray. My grandma would tell you that that's probably what it is, because there's a cornfield over there and they spray and it's killed a lot of things in her yard. So I wouldn't be surprised if that was also impacting these tomatoes. But now that we've got them weeded, we are going to take wherever that this little like bay of hail that I got from Hobby Lobby forever ago that I've been using as decoration. And we're going to use that hay or straw and cover up the bottom of these tomatoes so that hopefully the ground can collect moisture more evenly. Also, I looked it up, and my gypsy peppers, I could pick them now if I wanted to, but I could also wait for them to change color, and apparently if we wait long enough for them to turn orange or red, they get quite sweet. So I'm going to do that. JK, we're going to go to the garden store. Yeah. Okay. We're going to go to the garden store and see if we can get some dirt or compost to put around these tomatoes. The dirt around them is really dry and cracked and hard, so that might help. I don't know. And then we'll put the straw on when we get back. We're back from our trip uptown. We bought 2 different bags of, one of them is cow manure and compost, and the other is peat hummus. I don't know. We're gonna hill it. Do you see what I'm talking about with the tomatoes, Mom? How the plants are like leaning?
Yeah.
So I feel like if we put some dirt, it'll help. And then we can cover it.
Do you want to just dump it in there and
mix it up? Yeah.
I'll get my. Let me go get my. Let me get my.
I'll cut them open. Gloves. You guys can tell us if this was a dumb idea. I think we just scoop a little out and because like anywhere along the stem it'll just form more roots, apparently. If there's any branches you see touching the ground, you can snap them off too. I think I got most of them, but there might be some still. Well, the garden is looking significantly different, you might notice. We tore out some of the dead pea plants, took out the potatoes, which there was quite a haul. Show you guys after a bit. Maybe I'll insert a picture in here once I've gotten them all cleaned up and processed. We've got our tomatoes looking pretty good. We also bought more seeds, so next week I'm gonna have Tate or my dad show me how to use the what's that called, tiller, so that we can till up this hard dry dirt and replant some stuff. So we got a couple different varieties of lettuce, and we finally found radish seeds, which I have not been able to find this entire season, and we finally found the last packet at the local garden, or what you'd call it, garden store, I don't know. Also, to update you, the bunnies that were living in the bean plants right over here, they were no longer there, and their little nest was vacated, so we removed the nest as we were taking out the weeds, and I bet they're just wandering the yard now, which is great. They were very cute last week, but I'm happy to see that they aren't still there. We're just gonna give these a good water. It is supposed to storm tonight, so we're not gonna overdo it. We just want to make sure that we hit it with some water in case that the rain skips over my grandma's. So yeah, it looks 10 times better. We fixed up the tomatoes. Oh, about to get rained on. And I'll show you as the sprinkler's going this way. We have so many tomatoes peeking through, and this is exactly why I wanted to use the cattle panel as a trellising method, because you can see all the tomatoes. I don't want to get rained on. You can see all the tomatoes from this side, and it'll be really easy to pick them once they are ready. There's one that I do want to grab. To go now. Go, go, go. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Oh, crap. I don't see it. Oh, here it is. I'm about to get rained on. Oh, shoot. And I'm just going to go ahead and eat it. And it's been cleaned off by the sprinkler, so. Tasty. We cleaned up the base of these tomato plants. We hilled them with some compost mixture, and then we covered with straw. I've heard in the comments that that helps, and so I'm banking on it. Now, even though the tomato plants don't look very good and the leaves are kind of curled up and crunchy, there's a lot of fruit, so I guess pros and cons. We'll see how this continues to progress. We have our cantaloupe that is just going nuts. I actually did see some flowers that at the base of them there was what looked like the start of where fruit might form. Right here. And there's a number of those in there, so I'm excited. But my mom and I did a really good job of weeding everything, taking out everything that didn't need to be there, and hopefully next week we can get some new things planted in here. So thank you so much for joining us today. If you want to follow along this journey and see what's growing, what's not, and what we have to replant, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like as well. I enjoy reading all of your feedback in the comment section, so if you have any suggestions or tips for me or anything that I'm doing wildly wrong, please let me know in the comments. I love to read it and apply that information as best that I can. But it has been a long morning in the garden. We got here probably around 9:30 and it's 1:30 now. Again, thank you so much for joining us, and I'll share some photos of the harvest at the end of this video. Take care, have a good week, and happy 4th of July.
All right, as promised, here's a clip of the harvest. Most of that basket is full of peas with a few potatoes on the top. Then the majority of the potatoes here are in this bag that are staying with my mom. I've got 2 different bags of onions. And I wanted to add this clip here at the end. We did give Grandma a little bit of a tour of how the rest of the yard is looking. I wanted to let you guys in on that too, because this yard is a labor of love. It's impressive, it's beautiful, and I think it needs to I think it deserves to be shared. So please enjoy these little clips from our tour around the yard.
I mean, this, I just have to take those trees out, but otherwise this all looks good. And that looks good. I just need, like, we need to, we're growing up top a lot, but we probably need to cut that off. But I cleaned up the garden, took out all the junk. Our cantaloupe are going crazy.